Hello everyone, so a video on how to wash the pads has been very highly requested, so here it is. Firstly, the most important step is to pre-wash them in cold water. Must be cold, otherwise you'll set the stains and then you won't get them out. I use a toothbrush at this point for the pads that I use on my heaviest days, just to get the most of it out. It just helps it come out a little bit better out of the wash. I also spray a bit of this on, so this is detergent, water and stain remover. This is not entirely necessary, especially for lighter pads, but it definitely helps heavier ones come out a little bit cleaner. So you can kind of use any sort of stain remover, but this for me is the holy grail of stain removers. All of my pads come out beautifully every time because I use this. So this is a gel, you just squeeze it on and kind of rub it in the worst affected areas. But again, you can use any sort of stain remover. I then put mine in a lingerie bag because otherwise they get lost in the wash, straight in the washing machine. Now I wash mine at 60 degrees, but 40 degrees works just fine.
Toss in the washer. Wash on cold. Tumble dry. All clean. Easy peasy.
How to clean your pads. Okay, let's say that this is soiled and it's full of blood and you're ready to change it. All you do is flip this. Here's a waterproof wet bag. You don't have to touch anything. See how I'm not touching anything? This is lined with waterproof lining, and drop it in. You can fit a few pads in here. I wash every 2 to 3 days. Put it in the washer with other clothes. You can wash it with other clothes, no problem. Flip your bag inside out, put it in the wash, add soap, no softener, put it in the dryer. Make sure to flip your bag back right side in. And then when you pull them out of the dryer, they'll look exactly like this. Pads topped with minky won't stain at all, and they'll look brand new every single time. So yeah, cloth pads are amazing.
Washing glad rags is also super easy. You can pre-soak it in cold water if you're worried about stains. If you aren't, you could just throw them in your wash with your normal clothes. You always want to wash with cold water because hot water actually cooks the protein in your blood and will cook the stains directly onto the pad. So anything stained with blood, wash with cold water. You also don't want to use bleach or fabric softener, so just use, a regular natural detergent and then throw in your dryer on tumble dry low and you are good to go.